Hi everyone, so Jerry and I'm back again and welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, good to see you. What are we doing this week, honey?
So for this week's video, we're gonna share with you the
Bekong Mall
1 year anniversary.
Right? Yes. Well, why were there?
So they have some program there for, celebrating the 1 year anniversary, and this video is about traditional Filipino dance and Filipino song. So
yeah.
Yep. So here's the video.
It was cool though.
Yep.
All right, let's see.
Okay guys, we're at Bakong, so let's go, huh? Ay, barbecue. The barbecue. Let's see lang. Puto bongbong, guys. I'm craving for it. I don't eat it. It's very famous mango. Let's buy that one. I want barbecue. Barbecue na lagi. Just wait. Tapos rice. There's more, guys. Barbecue over there. Dari na lang ako. Ha? Wait. Dari oh. Eat, guys. Let's eat, guys. Manong ang pangalan ba? Puto bongbong. Puto bongbong, guys. Tapos?
Different municipalities of Negros Oriental and of other places, good evening. Dapat Bakong District hopes that you will have an evening of entertainment, fun, and meaning. For the first part of the program, a pupil of Buntan Elementary School, Jeff Dylan L. Bilanggoy, will sing Paglaom. Then, Kabilin Ukulele of Bakong will play 3 folk songs. Afterwards, pupils of Nazao
So we're here at the fair. Let's go. Let's see if they're gonna ride. Umayad ka mas unang gito. Let's go, let's go. Di ba si Aluana wala kakaon? Let's get the mic. Oh, blackout bingo. Wow. Go, blackout.
Letter B number 1 sa Garono.
Asa naman to sila? Asa na sila, Dani?
Ay, wala yung sumisigaw mo naman. Iya mo namin kalagalayo naman sa magkulang ng Garono. Yung sunod naman kamula na laro, 74.
May battery shells eh. Doon. Ay! Nakusok! Extend your hand. Sige, palapit eh. Palapit eh ba? Palapit eh. Cheating! Wala na. Cheating guys, cheating. Dooli! Extend mo kamot ba? Ako po. Wala namang galing tao-tao. Oh, iwan. Ang blue. Blue pa more. Go! 3! Urot na. Sige. 1. Dalawa. Blue. Amala si Charlie Byron niya kay iya kagisa ka pa, istorbo. Wow! Ang blue port. O, ano pang mga isa-isa. Hey guys! Iya, karang tag-ito nila.
Ikaswerte beragam sa mula.
We'll ride the Ferris wheel. Si Dani nagbayad. Ay! Look! Check! Ay, namigas. Masakay. Blow, blow, blow! Oo! Sakay! Yeah! I love blue! Oh! Ay! Sige, sige! Hi guys! Welcome to the program! Bilhin na ako ako sa What did you do? You wanna ride again? Huh? Pagsaway na bata.
Okay, so the celebration is about the Leon Kila hero that lives in Bacong. That's why they made Kila, the mall. They named it after one of the heroes supposed to be that he lives in Bacong before. So they're, you know, they made this mall for him as a tribute, and now they're celebrating, you know.
So you were eating, right, for the street food?
Yep.
Yes?
Yep.
What did you eat there?
It's puto bongbong.
Say it.
It's rice cake.
Is that English?
Nope, it's rice cake, delicacy of Filipino, one of those. Yep.
Puto.
Bongbong.
Puto boom boom.
Bongbong. We eat some barbecue too, but we don't make video. But we eat barbecue. They have more food there, and yeah, we watch the show. That's most of it.
The show was the folk dancing
in the Philippines. That's our traditional dance in the Philippines, and traditional song also, the ukulele that the kids playing.
The guitar.
Yeah,
that was cool.
Yep.
That was nice. They were nice. And then you went to the fair.
We ride the Ferris wheel.
Was it tall? No, it was like half.
12, yeah, only
Yeah,
12.
it was, but you...
America is 24, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, it's cool. We have fun, but
And of course you want to shoot me.
I'm
Every
practicing
time, that's what
shooting.
you want to shoot. Yeah, hey.
We don't have real guns here, guys, so that's the only way I can practice shooting. So yeah, so
So
anyway,
it was fun.
yep, we had
Definitely
fun.
good. Good time.
Yes, so that's the video for this week, and thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on our next
All
video.
right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.